Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are the discuss topic how to create a scatter plot with three variables in XLSTAT software. So this is for the three variable in the scatter plot for the XLSTAT. The first one for the variable in the fish length. Okay, the next one variable for the fish width and the third one variable for the fish weight. So the third variable for the using the additional graphical elements such as a color, size and shape for the scatter plot in marker options. So now the how to create a scatter plot with three variable in XLSTAT. So the go to the add-on menu for the XLSTAT in the Excel software. So the go to the visualizing data options, then click the scatter plot. So the open the new tab for the scatter plot options. The first one for the general option, this is for the x variable selected column. So the x variable selected column for the fish length. So the use the options and the select for the fish length. Okay. The next one for the y variable in second variable. So the second variable select for the options, use the option and select for the fish width. Okay, the third one for the eject variable. So the this is for the column added to the fish weight. So the select for the checkbox in the eject value. So use the options and select for the fish weight. Then okay. Okay, now the added for the variable name for the three different variable, the fish length and fish width and the fish weight. So this option selected for the sheet. So I selected for the sheet only. So the move to the next options in the tab. Okay, then selected for the frequency and only if higher than 1. So select for the 2 checkbox, then click the OK button. Okay, this is for the selection option for the and data verification for the option in the XLSTAT. The first one for the selection name, the X, Y and Z. The total row for the 20 rows for the value and column for the single column. So the every variable for the single column. So the first one variable for the fish length is a single column and fish width is a single column and fish weight also the single column. So the confirm the data, then click the continue button. Okay, now the created for the scatter plot with three variable in XLSTAT. So this is for the third options, third variable. Okay, now the customized for the scatter plot in the XLSTAT. So the select for the marker options and right click and go to the format data series option. So open the data format series option and go to the fill and line options and go to the marker options and click select for the marker options. This marker option don't use because the only used for the two variables scatter plot. So this is for now our created for three variables. So don't use for these options. So the next one used for the color, the marker color change options. So the change to the color and below for the border of the marker options. So the same for selected the same color for the fill the color. Okay. Now the change to the font and the values size also in the chart. So the select for the y-axis value and go to the home menu and change to the font time Roman and font size 12. So the fish width also the same, change font and font size for the 12 and the x-axis value also the horizontal value also selected, time Roman and font size for the 12. The fish length also change the font 12. So the edit the title, scatter plot with three variable. Okay, they select the title and change font and font size is 12. Okay, now the select the graph and create it for the within grid to the plane frame. So the select the graph and go to the format plot area, then border option selected, the change to the color the black and within is to 1.5. So then now the outer border created in the scatter plot. So this is a no outer border, so the no fill options. So the outer border for the no border. Change to the white color. Okay, then border options for the no border, no lines. Okay, this is a scatter plot for the 3 variable. Okay, now the interpretation for the scatter plot with the 3 variable options. This scatter plot used for the size range, because the marker options is different size. The large marker the highly correlated, and the low small marker is the lowest correlation for the fish length and width, and third variable for the fish weight also. So this is for the very highly correlated, and this is for the very low correlated in the scatter plot, because but the scatter plot is a highly correlated, this is a positive correlated. So this is for the interpretation in the scatter plot with the 3 variable in XLSTAT. If you like this video, please click the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. And this try to practice on this template. The template file upload for our Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link mentioned to the video description box. If you any doubt on this video, please leave me the comments in the comment box. I will help you. And thank you for watching this video. The one more, the don't forget, please click the subscription button and support to me for me, and join to our channel YouTube channel membership. So the thank you.